Navštívil som najhorší hotel na svete. Ok, som pripravený vidieť toto video. Rovnako.
We're finally free. We can go anywhere in Western Europe. Since you're the birthday boy.
Čiže počúvajte, kto ešte sa neprihlásil, na Twitteri je súťaž o komp o pičoviny. Stačí iba kliknúť a ste tam. Dávam link. Ja to skopírujem. Copy link. Tu je link chat. A to môžem vypnúť, toto môžem vypnúť. Toto môžem vypnúť. Toto môžem tiež vypnúť. To dám sem. Pinnem to. Pinnem to. Kokoče, nemôžem zapísať chvíľočku. Mám to. Flame, to budeme na to díkes.
Pick the destination. What about France? The Eiffel Tower, good wines, the fluffy baguettes. Let's fly to Paris. No. Okay, so what about Spain then? The picturesque streets, the tapas, bullfighting. You always loved animal abuse. No. So,
kto mi píše? Boňak. Dokúkam video a môžeme.
Okay then, let's have some good English lagers and see Stonehenge.
Čo tu zase vypisuje?
What do you want then?
Drugs, prostitute and shitty hotel.
Well, since Vlad wanted hookers, drugs, and a terrible hotel, there's really no other option than to go to the Netherlands. The Netherlands is home to the worst hotel in the world, ladies and gentlemen.
Ešte raz to napíš a vieš, čo sa stane s tvojim skurveným nikom? Zmizneš odtiaľto jak skurvený prd v autobuse. K zadným sedačkám.
The Hans Brinker Budget Hostel.
Hans Brinker Budget Hotel, Amsterdam. It can't get any worse.
Počkaj, som zabudol povedať, že tá súťaž na tom Twitteri je iba pre sabý sorač. Je to, aby som povedal, že dík svojim sabom, čo ma podporujú každý jeden mesiac, tak tam majú komp a nejaké veci, stoličky a pičovinky. Slúchatka, klávesnice, myšky.
But we'll do our best.
This hotel or hostel embraces its reputation as the worst hotel in the world, and it gained worldwide recognition for its offensive anti-advertising communication. It offers substandard accommodation and subpar services, and they proudly advertise this on their official website. Because you don't pay much, you won't get any of the following things: swimming pool, room service, honeymoon suites, a gym, tiny bottles of shampoo, a spa bath, or bellboys in silly hats. You will safely get a basic room in the center of Amsterdam that is worth every penny. I absolutely love the honesty here, and I have a feeling that spending a night in Hans Brinker will not be that bad. But to find out, we have to book a night here. I deliberately didn't check any reviews because I want to be surprised and I don't have any expectations. Let's go to Amsterdam and visit the worst hotel in the world.
Toto je môj kabát. Mám ho už vyše 7 rokov a ak mám pravdu povedať, hanbím sa ho nosiť. je kompletne celý od žmolkov a takisto tu má škvrnu od solamilu, čo je kukuričný škrob a zeleného potravinárskeho farbiva z jedného môjho natáčania, kde som potreboval, aby na mňa vyprskli hlien. Odvtedy žiadna čistiareň nedokázala ten Cyrite vyčistiť. Ale našťastie ma pred ďalšou zahambujúcou zimou kontaktoval Remix, e-shop, v ktorom si nielen môžete kúpiť svoj nový outfit, ale aj predať svoj starý. Idem do pánskeho oblečenia, kabáty a vidím čierny, úplne nový kabát Michael Kors za 200 eur. Michael Kors za 200 eur. To je už tak neskutočná cena a bude to ešte lepšie. I hneď dávam do košíka. Pozriem sa takisto na ponuku Remix second handu, aby som outfit doplnil. Hodil by sa mi k tomu kabátu nejaký šedý sveter. A aj hľa, tento je v mojej veľkosti a myslím, že bude s kabátom vyzerať famózne. A tým, že je to second hand, tak cena je takisto skvelá. Outfit skompletizujem šálom, pribalím si k objednávke aj Remix bag, pretože budem do Remixu posielať svoje nepotrebné kúsky. A... tak čo na to hovoríte?
Taká zľava. Sveter za 4,50. Čiže sveter za 4,50 a máte k tomu zadarmo blchy. No nekúp to.
A teraz druhá výhoda Remixu. Možnosť poslať a predať im svoje oblečenie. Ja mám za tie roky natáčania s miliardou rekvizít veľa svetrov a tričiek, ktoré som veľmi dlho nepoužil a je čas zbaviť sa ich. No a Remix mi za ne ešte dá peniaze. Stačí ich vložiť do Remix bagu a poslať Remixu. Je to pohodlné, šetrné k planéte a ešte si tým viete, čo to zarobiť. A tá najlepšia časť na záver. Každý nový užívateľ získa so zľavovým kódom Pppíter zľavu 40%. Platí to len do 15. januára, takže ak ste plánovali aktualizovať svoj šatník, prípadne v rámci novej, viac cool identity zmeniť svoj štýl, teraz je ten čas. Ďakujeme Remixu za sponzoring tohto videa a teraz už poďme.
Čiže mal by som vám na dispozícii 100 € a že mi musíte kúpiť niečo v sekáči.
Welcome to Amsterdam. We're right in the heart of the city where accommodation prices can be quite high. So our own room for 125 euros including breakfast feels like a great deal. This morning we got a nicely written email from Hostel Hans Brinker offering a self-check-in option. However, we've decided not to use it. We're looking forward to interacting with the receptionist and fully immersing ourselves in the unique atmosphere of the worst hotel in the world.
We have a reservation here.
And would it be possible to check your passport before booking?
Yeah, is ID fine?
Yeah, I
All
think
right.
so. If you want to go out and party a little bit, I do invite you to just scan the QR code over there, and you can see what's going on tonight. Check on Tuesday. Check on Tuesday, I'd say. Tuesday is a bit of a tricky day.
Okay, perfect.
Is there like a pre-party
Domo,
here before
ďakujem.
the Techno
Dáno,
Tuesday,
vy sa
or should we just go alone? Any activities around the hostel or nothing? I mean, like inside the hostel?
No, not at the moment.
The receptionist was incredibly nice and helpful. This definitely wasn't a welcome you'd expect in the world's worst hotel. What was the catch then?
This doesn't look like the worst elevator in the world. Looks fancy. I'm not sure what to expect. I'm really not sure.
Vypadá profesionálne.
This looks like a hall and an asylum. People just punching the doors. I want to get out! The very last room on the first floor.
Near the fire exit.
Near the fire exit, okay. If anything happens, we'll probably survive. Okay, how does a room in the worst hotel in the world look like?
To vypadá dobre. Počkaj, za takúto izbu v Afrodite v tých teplicách, čiže to je za noc 3 kg. Taká tá izba. Podobná. Možno ešte menšia. Blchy sú v cene.
just arrived to the
Kurde,
worst hotel
skrinka zo spitka normálne.
featured in media all over the world, and we ended up in what seems to be the most boring mediocre room in the history of our show. I think we've done over 30 episodes, but we've never ended up in such an average room. Look, it's just bland and uninteresting. Nothing really filthy or disgusting and terrible, but at the same time nothing glamorous and beautiful. I think a review of this room can be easily done in under 30 seconds. Look, we have 2 beds, the sheets are clean, nothing really wrong. We have 2 clean towels, we have these cute little lamps here, both of them working. Locker, rubbish bin, working sockets, a curtain. Can this get any more boring? Floors are not dirty, there's nothing really.
Hans Brinker, what was the reason for your inferiority? Were we blind, or does the hostel transform into the most mediocre establishment during the low season? Where did the true essence of the worst hotel in the world lie?
We have our own bathroom here, which came to me as a surprise. Clean, I would even say luxurious for this kind of hostel. Rubbish bin, toilet paper, mirror. Any shit here? No. Perfectly clean. Shower.
Bez hovna, tak to by som nám neozdal.
That's kind of it. A funny do not disturb sign. Please leave me alone so I can get my act together. Please fix my room so that no one else has to face what happened here last night. Vlad, it's your birthday and you wanted prostitutes, drugs, alcohol, and party. Apparently this room doesn't provide that. I'd say we go outside the room and investigate the hostel a bit further. This is supposed to be the worst hostel in the world and it's just mediocre. I think I'm starting to see the truth here, the truth that this is
Ako náhle by si prišiel ty za mnou, tak by bolo jedno spláchnuté.
Funny little Easter eggs all around the hostel. Hiccup. You know what you have to do when you have hiccups?
No.
You need to drink.
Drink?
Not smoke. What are you thinking about? I think we have something here. Look, connect with travelers nearby. I need to scan this QR code and apparently I can chat with other guests in this hostel or maybe a hostel's nearby. Hiccup, I'm sorry. In it. I'm gonna download the app and in the meantime grab a beer. Let's check out the bar. There are funny pictures here. They're not funny anymore. Where are the... Okay, this is the first funny picture. Okay. Next one. This is gonna be today. It's gonna be either you snoring or other people partying. Okay.
With the white, with the blue light. Oh, it's
yeah.
UV.
Yeah. What are those
Yes,
stains? Are you using... What are the stains here? What are the stains? Happy hour from 5 to 6 and it's 5:18. Let's solve my hiccup. Ooh, that's cool, that's cool. Can we have a beer? First, tap or tap, please. So we're having Heineken, which is a must-do when in Amsterdam or Netherlands because it's a Dutch beer. I've been living in the Czech Republic for the last 11 years, so Heineken is considered... cheers.
Yes.
Happy birthday, Vlad. Happy birthday. I think the hiccup is solved. It's happy hour in this supposedly party hostel. We're in a bar during happy hour. And there's nobody here, just us. I'm gonna check the app and make some friends here because there's nothing to do. I just notified the group of almost 1,200 people that I'm here. I'm in the city of Amsterdam and I want to party tonight. Let's see if someone replies. If not, we're going out alone. Techno.
Sheriff?
Where is my prostitute?
Nobody responded that night. It seemed nobody was in the hostel. In search of something extraordinary, we headed out for dinner only to find it average. an average burger, an average salad. We investigated the hallways and other floors and found nothing. So what really sets Hostel Hans Brinker apart? It's genius advertising. Its daring and offensive promotional strategy has been featured on CNN, MTV, and other global networks, earning it worldwide fame. That's exactly how we found it, by searching for the worst hotel in the world on Google. This ingenious marketing has made it one of the most well-known hotels in Europe, while in fact it's just, you know, a normal hostel.
So, in the 4-year history of making this show, Vlad and me, we have developed kind of a sixth sense. And this sixth sense is telling us that this place is not worth the content. And we really don't want to fake stuff to make it dramatic or shocking. That's never been our style. And this internal feeling led us to finally check the review of this place on Google Reviews, and Hans Brinker Budget Hostel has a rating of 3.8 stars, which again is just the normal rating. And we're used to reviewing either the absolute best places or the absolute worst places. This is something in between. Again, nothing unique, nothing entertaining for you guys, and we consider ourselves entertainers, not hotel reviewers. So we decided that the last episode, which concludes the entire season of our Western European misadventures, cannot end in a bland way. So instead of showing you more average things in this hostel, we're gonna give you something much more entertaining. And that is the bloopers and the absolute highlights from behind the scenes of making this season. It's been tremendously fun. We had great sponsors that gave us funds to do crazy shit, and I'm talking way too much, so I hope you'll enjoy this segment as much as we'll enjoy the techno party.
Slave, díkes, ďakujem. Papadunky, díkes.
And thanks for the support of entire season.
Johnny, díkes. Takže average hotel v Holandsku, Nahrávaš si to?
Pozri číslo 6.